Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the stunning CASIO Edifice EFB-108D-7AV and showcasing its remarkable features. Get ready to be impressed. First, we'll unveil the delightful experience of unboxing the CASIO Edifice 108D. Watch as we carefully open the product box, revealing the sleek and stylish timepiece nestled inside. You'll witness the attention to detail that CASIO puts into every aspect of their packaging. Now, let's delve into the product itself. The CASIO Edifice 108D is a true embodiment of elegance and functionality. With its stainless steel chain and body, it exudes a sense of durability and sophistication. This timepiece is not only a reliable companion for your daily activities but also a tasteful accessory that complements your style. Equipped with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the Edifice 108D ensures the longevity of your timepiece, protecting it from unsightly marks and scratches. The white display with silver hands provides a clean and classic look, allowing for easy readability in any lighting conditions. With a water resistance rating of 10 bar, the Edifice 108D is suitable for water-related activities such as swimming and snorkeling. You can enjoy your adventures without worrying about damaging your timepiece. Weighing a comfortable 133 grams, this watch is lightweight and ergonomically designed for a comfortable fit on your wrist. You can wear it all day without any discomfort, making it perfect for both formal occasions and casual outings. In summary, the CASIO Edifice 108D is a perfect blend of style and functionality. Its stainless steel chain and body, combined with the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and white display, make it a true statement piece that complements any outfit. Thank you for joining us in this video as we explored the CASIO Edifice 108D in detail. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this content and would like to see more product reviews and updates, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching,